Hello everybody, this is Monica Gary with your nutrition in 90 seconds. So today briefly I'm going to talk about 5 tips for a healthier heart. Let's get right into it. Number 1, increasing your fiber. Fiber helps you to feel fuller longer. So that's one quick tip of increasing your fiber. Whole grains, maybe brown rice, fruits and vegetables of course has fiber in it. So you do want to increase your fiber. Number 2, decrease your sodium. So when you come down to salt, sodium is the portion of salt that causes the issue with most people. I'm not going to get into that right now, but another video I'm going to talk more in detail about that. But sodium, decrease your sodium intake. So are you putting a lot of salt in your foods? Are you doing a lot of foods that's fried? So you want to make sure you monitor your sodium intake. Number 3, increasing your fruits. Fruits, apples, oranges, bananas, whatever fruits you like to eat. Increasing your fruit, which when you increase your fruits, you're also increasing your fiber also, because a lot of fruits have a good source of fiber. So increasing your fruits. Vegetables, we already know fruits and vegetables go hand in hand. Increasing your vegetables. And when you're increasing your vegetables, watch how you're cooking them. So if you're putting if you're doing salt pork and fat back and all that in there, that decreases the nutritional value of your vegetables. So you do want to make sure you're getting more vegetables in, but watch your how you're cooking it. Last thing you want to do is choose healthier fats. So you do need fat, but what are your sources? So you do want to do healthier fats. Nuts, they are fats. That's healthy fats. Avocados, healthy fats. So when you're doing fats, you do need it, but you want to make sure you're getting healthier fat sources. Okay? So those are your 5 things to do for a healthy heart. And don't forget to check out www.stepschange.net. And remember, small steps equals big change. What steps are you going to take today? See ya.